up, everybody? It's time to dance with Qai Qai, Playtime edition. Do you like to play? Of course you do. My favorite place to play is the playground. Today, I'm going to teach you 3 Playtime dance moves. They're called the jump rope, the dodgeball, and the freeze tag. Remember to watch until the end for a dance party. Ready? First is the jump rope. You're going to move your legs like this and move your arms like this. Wow, great job! I'd love to see you try your best. Ready for the second move? Yeah? Let's do it. This one is called dodgeball. Move out of the way so the balls don't hit you. Let's try that again, but slower. Now let's go super, super fast. Dodge ball, dodge ball. Dodge the ball, dodge the ball. Dodge the ball, dodge the ball. Wow, you're doing amazing. Let's finish strong. The last move is freeze tag. Copy me. Awesome! That was so silly and so much fun! And guess what? We've learned all the dances. Do you know what that means? It means that it's time for a
dance party.
Hit it, Ruff Ruff! Jump! Do the jump rope. Dodgeball! Freeze tag! Freeze! Jump! Do the jump rope. Dodgeball! Freeze tag! Freeze! When I say freeze, don't move. Dance and freeze. Dance and freeze. Freestyle! Listen to your body and see how it wants to move. Let's give ourselves a round of applause. That was so much fun. This has been the best play date ever. Ruff Ruff, playtime is over. But don't worry, we'll see everyone next time. Thanks for dancing with Qai Qai, Playtime edition. Don't forget to like and subscribe.